Good morning, children. Today we will learn about the conjunctions. What is conjunction? As you have read this in a previous class, conjunction are joining words and they are used to join words and sentences. Conjunctions are joining words. It joins the words and they are used to join words and sentences. By using the conjunction, we are able to join the words and sentences. So, and, but, or, because, so, until, if, though, although, while, such words are conjunctions which join words and sentences. Look at the picture. Rajan and Rohan are brothers. So when we use and, when do we use and? When to use it and joins two ideas. Whenever we joins two ideas, things or sentences together, there we use and. For example, I have two cats and one dog. Next, another picture. Look at the another picture. You can have cold drink or coffee. So when do we use or? Or presents an alternative to an option. Whenever we have option, there we use or. For example, would you rather wear a dress or jeans? We can go to the movies or we can go out for dinner. Work hard or you will fail in the examination. So here we have more options. That's why we have used here or. Next is Naman is short but Rohit is tall. Here we used but conjunction. So when do we use but? This conjunction connects two ideas, similar to how you might use a word and, however, while and connects to alike ideas, things, but connects contrasting ideas, things. Whenever we connect to contrasting ideas, opposite ideas or things, there we use but. For example, I want to go to the movies, but Sarah wants to go out for dinner. In this sentence, I want to go for movies, but Sarah is opposite of me. He wants to go for dinner. So, we have used here but. Anil goes to school, but Neha stays at home. So, both sentences are opposite. So, we have used here but. Next is because. When we use because, when we connect the result of something with its reason, there we use because. For example, Richa could not drink tea because it was too hot. Next is so. When to use it so? This conjunction gives a reason for something. Okay, example, John is struggling in his maths class, so he hired a tutor. John is struggling in his maths class because he was weak in maths, so he hired a tutor. He arranged a tutor. So, it gives a reason for something. Now, look at another picture. It was very sunny last Sunday, so we went to the beach. Next is she will pass if she works hard. When we use if introduces what to do in the event. If introduces what to do in the event. For example, you can eat an apple if you get hungry before dinner. Next is until. When we use until conjunction when up to the point that something. This conjunction means up to the point that something happens. For example, they played football until it got dark. So, until is showing up to the point that something happens. So we have used here until. Next is while. While refers to the moment something was happening. It shows us that something happens at the same time when something else is happening. Okay, for example, the mailman delivered a package while you were at school. Okay, so here while refers to the moment something was happening. I fell asleep while I was watching television. Next is although. When we use although, children? Although means even though or in spite of something. For example, although she is a great creative writer, she has trouble writing academic papers. It means in spite of a great creative writer, she has trouble writing academic papers. So, when do we use to? To can often be used the same way as although. However, it's more likely to be found in the middle of a sentence than although. He could not pass, though he tried often. So, these are the conjunctions. Do the practice of conjunctions at your home. Thank you.